Now, market is expected to remain flat largely in the calendar year 2023 as per analysts, but there are many stocks that have been giving a strong and consistent dividend returns to consumers, to shareholders, and in fact expected to do so even going forward. So, which are these stocks in both PSU and the private space? Sharad joins us to give us all those details.
Well, yes, current scenario makes a school of thought coming in for the dividend yield play stocks. And do remember, there are PSUs, there are REITs, there are MNC stocks, which are a dividend theme stocks, and they are generally played out when there is an inflation kind of a scenario happening. And there are certain companies, as per the IDBI Capital report, such as Indus India, Akzo Nobel, and even Sanofi India, where the current payout is more than the actual dividend yield. But let's look which are the stocks in the PSU segment where we are seeing a very strong dividend yield coming, and the usual names include NMDC, REC, GAIL, HUDCO, and a surprisingly Coal India, where the dividend yield ranges between 9 to 12%. Now, even if you see the 5-year average ROE numbers, they also range for these stocks between 12 to 20%, but Coal India having a land share of that, almost 49% 5-year average ROE numbers. Now let's look at the private companies in the dividend play theme, and over here we are having Philip Carbon, now it's called PCBL, followed by Polyplex in the packaging segment, Oracle Financial Services, Indus Towers, and ITC and Swaraj Engines, where the dividend yield ranges between 5 to 8%. Now, do remember, one more important thing is government's divestment proceeds. Over here, they include the dividend received as well, and they total almost around 62,000 crore rupees, and that's an important play for the dividend in the PSU space as well.